यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम् परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे.
Good morning. Today I am going to deal with some of the situations before you that quite often you have been using very nice, very poor, very interesting, very bad, that is from simple words to complex words. Because of late you have been getting lots of word power, so by now I believe that your maturity level must have attained at certain stage. So you need to be given something slightly better, more complex. That would be very, very nice for you to describe it. You will feel elated. There would be a substantive change in your statements when you speak. Your fluency get an edge in comparison to others who are not using sophisticated words. So, you must be using words like he's very poor, So you can use some other word instead of saying very poor. Very poor is not bad, but these are simpler words. As soon as your vocabulary increases and you enhance your capacity to speak, your sentences and the type and the quality of words should also change. For instance, you say very interesting. Oh, I read this story. It was very interesting. So you can replace this word by saying fascinating. 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 The story was really fascinating. It was fascinating indeed. Fascinating. Very interesting. So you can replace the word very interesting by the word fascinating. And you see, there are a whole lot of areas where you can use the word fascinating. I had fascination for reading fictions. Very interesting character. Lauren Hardy were very interesting characters. So you can use this word, you can replace it by saying they were really fascinating characters. Very fascinating. Next word is very open. No, nothing is hidden. I am very open to all. So instead of saying very open, of course, very open is there. You can use the word transparent. कहते हैं वो खुले विचार के लोग हैं. My mother is very transparent. She does not hide anything. In comparison to my father and mother, my mother is more transparent. My father conceals some of the informations or some of the stories or some of the news. But my mother is very open-minded. She is very open to me. She is very transparent. She will discuss with you everything. Every nitty-gritty of it, she discusses. So that is called very transparent. The first word was fascinating. Very interesting. Fascinating. He is a fascinating man. It's a fascinating story. I will give you a fascinating scenario. Very interesting scenario to act on. Next is very honest. Very honest, as it is very good word. But you have to switch on to a slightly complex word. Very honest. Straightforward. Frank. He is very straightforward. No, he is not a very complex character. He is very straightforward. Very frank. He does not conceal anything. आपने देखा होगा कि आसपास में बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं भीतर गुन्ना टाइप का, बट स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड लोग होते हैं क्या? Very honest. Very honest. What come may, they will tell you all the stories. All the information they will share with you. Very honest. Straightforward or honest. Frank. very poor. Eh, Very poor people live in that area. Very poor. You can use another word, slightly complex word, interesting word. Destitute. Destitute. Destitute or impoverished. Impoverished. Impoverished condition of the people living in Chaul area. If you ever go to Mumbai, you must have come across a place before Sion and Bandra. There is a place called Dharavi, where most of the destitutes live. And recently, in the outspread of Corona, COVID-19, most of the inmates of Dharavi who were destitutes or impoverished, majority of the people where it got inflicted were impoverished people. This corona spread in the impoverished area, very poor. It's not necessary to spread only in the poor, because corona never differentiated between rich and poor. But the factor of social distancing was very important. It was densely populated. So, social distancing factors could not be followed in totality. So it spread. The spread was rampant in the area where destitutes lived or in impoverished area. Next word is very rich. You can use the word well off. WELLOOF. Well off. He's well off. He's prosperous, wealthy. Instead of saying very rich, you can use the word well off, prosperous, wealthy. Santa Cruz and Kapret, these areas are inhabited by wealthy people, well-off people, prosperous people. Whereas, on contrary, people of Mankhurd or Dharavi, they are having mostly destitutes and impoverished people. So you could make the difference. What does impoverished mean? What does destitute mean? What does wealthy, well-off and rich mean? Clear-cut difference is there. Now actually, very scared, as it is scared, S-C-A-R-E-D, scared, bahut डरा हुआ. You can use another word, which would be slightly complex but very fascinating word. What is that? Petrified. Petrified. P-E-T-R-I-F-I-E-D. Petrified. Terrified. Seeing a cobra, I was really petrified. I was terrified. I was scared. All the three words have the same meaning. But what I have used, I have just replaced very scared. It's a simple word to a slightly complex word. Petrified, terrified. Who will not get terrified seeing cobra in front of you? Anyone. You need not worry. You need not petrify on the stories which has been narrated. These are all false stories. One could say that. But as soon as you see a cobra in front of you, you immediately get petrified. That is called you scared. So from simple word to complex word. Next word is very intelligent. It's a simple word. You can say brilliant. Who is brilliant? B-R-I-L-L-A-N-T. B-R-I-L-L-A-I-N-T. Brilliant. He's a brilliant boy. She's a brilliant girl. She reads for few hours and she has very good retention capacity. She is a brilliant girl. Instead of saying very intelligent, you can use the word brilliant. So not only you are saving two words, but you are adding a new word which is slightly complex but very fascinating word. Next word is very angry, enraged, very angry. What would be the word which you are going to replace it with? Indignant. I-N-D-I-G-N-A-N-T. D-I-G-N-A-N-T. Indignant. Enraged. Enraged. The indignant behavior of the opposition enraged the treasury benches. And your indignancy is not without cause. It has no reasons. Indignant. I-N-D-I-G-N-A-N-T. Indignant. So just see, very angry, very simple words. You can replace it by slightly complex word. Indignant. Enraged. I-N-E-N-R-A-G-E-D. Enraged. Indignant. I-N-D-I-G-N-A-N-T. Indignant. Next is very big. You must have seen. Elephant is a very big animal. Gigantic. Enormous in size and shape. When you see small word, when you have to compare gazelle. Gazelle is a very small animal, not very big one. In comparison to gazelle, elephant is simply gigantic. Some people have the habit of saying gigantic also. I don't know how far that pronunciation is correct, but you just keep one which is mostly accepted. Gigantic. G-I-G-A-N-T-I-C. Enormous. Huge in size. So the simple word is very big. The complex word becomes gigantic. Somebody say gigantic. But most accepted is gigantic. Enormous. The next is very crowded. What is very crowded? It's a simple word. What would be the complex word? Cramped, overcrowded, cramped. When you travel in an auto, it has sitting capacity of 4, but the auto driver has accommodated seat for 17. So what the scenario become? It become cramped. C-R-A-M-P-D, cramped. C-R-A-M-P-D, cramped, overcrowded. You should not move, you should not hop in to a lift which is cramped. C-R-A-M-P-D, cramped. Because there are so many disadvantages. Either if somebody is infectious with some disease, you might get inflicted with the disease, or it is also not safe. So my dear children, I have used many words which are simple. Now let us revise once again. Very interesting, you can use the word fascinating. Very open, you can say transparent. Very honest, you can use the word straightforward, frank. Very poor, you can use the word destitute or impoverished. Very rich, well off, prosperous, wealthy. Very scared, petrified, terrified. Very intelligent, brilliant. Very angry, you can use the word indignant, I-N-D-I-G-N-A-N-T. Very nice word. You can use it very frequently, indignant or enraged. Very big, gigantic or enormous. Very crowded, cramped, overcrowded. So I hope these words would be beneficial to you, provided you remember these words. Try using it day to day. Unless and until you use these words every now and then, your fluency would definitely be hampered. So my dear children, use these words quite often. It will become your property. Thank you very much.
यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम् परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि